derive the first equation of uniform motion. When we say uniform motion, you're talking about motion in a straight line, or you say rectilinear motion. You're talking about a motion that you know the beginning and you also know the end. You are not somewhere in between. So when you say uniform motion, you know the starting velocity. That's we call it initial velocity. You know the initial velocity. Initial velocity, we use small letter u to denote it. And then you know the final velocity. You know the final velocity v. And then you know your acceleration. Acceleration a. So from definition of acceleration, acceleration a is defined as the rate of change of velocity. Whenever you hear the word rate, 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 rate means that time is involved, time t is involved. So the rate of change of velocity, that means at what rate and at what time interval does the velocity change. So acceleration is defined as what? Rate of change of velocity. That's change in velocity over time. So that change in velocity can be written as what? Final velocity v minus initial velocity divided by the time interval t. The t here represents, t cannot be negative because you don't have negative time. T here means the time, you weigh the duration, the time interval between when the motion started and when it stopped. So with this, we now have that A equals to V minus U divided by T. So you do cross multiplication, multiply T with A. Here is like A over 1, multiply V minus U with 1. So this will be AT equals to V minus U. So you want to make final velocity the subject of the formula. What we mean by subject of formula is make V to stand alone on one side of the equation. Equation has two sides. So for V to stand alone, I have to take away U from this side. And U is negative here. When you take it to the left, it becomes positive. So that would be AT. So that would be AT plus U equals to V. And if you further rearrange it, you can say that V equals to what? You can say V equals to U plus AT. So this is your first equation of uniform motion. V equals to U plus AT.